What's up, guys? I'm Gideon, and we got some girls here that are going to be pros. There's Allie, there's Kirsten, the beautiful, and that's all the beautiful. Let's get into it. Come forward, ladies. Come forward. Don't look like a sloth. Walk
Here
up.
comes
on,
the bride.
Silence.
Get up here.
Peaceful music. Beat one.
Sounds just like it.
Stop.
It's me. We am. Trying to riz me up? Baby, you already riz me up. Alright, so, are you Wi-Fi? Because I'm feeling a Hey, put it here. Kirsten, ever since the day I met you, and you were eating... you was eating chocolate. It smelled like chocolate. Your hair, you pudding. And pudding on pudding. It might be pudding on paste.
You kiss with pudding in your mouth?
You're putting the pudding on your...
Dead brother gone. Okay.
You may now go on one knee.
You may now go on one knee.
Oh my goodness! I can't believe this.
Now you got. Now we're turn around.
Turn around. You didn't see it yet. You didn't see. Look at the sun.
Look at that. Wait, what? Where?
Now, okay, fam. I'm gonna turn around so they can kiss. Oh wow!
We need a picture of this. Oh no, I don't know.
Let's get some pictures together. Wait, just give it a moment. We need
Rehearse it.
privacy.
I have a. They're gonna kiss, so you don't want to know.
Oh. Whoa there. Whoa, Gideon.
Putting the pudding on your face.
Guys, are you ready? Ladies, are you ready?
Not me.
It's a trumpet. It's
It's a trumpet? Okay.
Okay, it's Nathan then. It's Nathan then. We got it.
Am I far enough?
Yeah, you're good. Okay, ready?
Wow.
Burn.
You got this.
Okay, you do it.
What is on your face?
Oh, we got the screen.
Alright, restart.
Here comes the bride.
You now have made that on your camera roll. Look at those Roblox badges called. Hold on, Roblox achievement. Oh, I found it.
Get away, priestess.
Okay, you have the ring.
I have the ring, dummy. I'm the one proposing.
Then you may kiss the.
We skipped a chapter.
Oh yeah, we should be trying.
Dude, we're just getting engaged.
Okay, here.
Hello.
Okay.
Here, I'm opening my Bible.
Bible?
Oh Jesus!
We don't need time at all.
Run out, Pally!
Start playing quietly. Kirsten.
You'll get there one day. You bailed out of the way. You got this. You got this. Got this.
All right, here we go.
Have mercy on your soul. I'm praying for you, brother.